This is a real hike. I should always ask more questions, and I ask a lot of questions. It went from like, oh, we're just gonna casually look cute taking pictures on some rocks to like needing hiking socks.
You know, they trying to go and get lost.
Hiking socks have extra padding and wicking material so that you don't get blisters and stuff.
Oh, I didn't sign up for that. I'm still gonna look cute for the hike. Because when I'm needing to be like rescued off the mountain, I want to make sure all the new shots are good. I'm looking so much like a victim. Get my lashes on my good side. Ah.
Do you want me to pack you the trail mix or not?
Of course I do.
All right, see, we're going.
Get out of here. Of course I want my trail mix. If I got a hike, I'm getting all of the perks and benefits that go along with the hike. It smells amazing out here. All of the flowers and like clean, crisp air. It doesn't matter how great of shape you think you're in. Hiking in Colorado where the elevation is so high and the air is so thin, and then you gotta watch your footing and navigate around people, it's challenging all the way around. And we're finally back in the car. Thank God. We survived. That was fun. I think we should do it again. That windy road up the mountain to this evergreen lake trail. Gorgeous. I feel so at peace. My anxiety is so much less. My stress is so much less. There is something to be said about being out in nature. Nothing like it. So we're finishing up our hike now, and then I think we're gonna head to get some lunch and then go home because the shower and nap, epic. I do feel as though my friend Zippy has set me up. I think it's gonna be one of those situations where I'm like, oh my God, the right side of my body's numb. And she's like, oh yeah, that just happens. Don't worry about it.